using a spoon. Wow.
Avery's good at it.
Good job, Avery. All right, let's see Hollis. Okay, ready, Hollis? There you go. Oh.
Good job.
Is there anything left on it?
Not much.
All right, let's see Miranda eat too.
He just got up his nose. You are doing great, Avery.
Good job, Miranda.
Miranda, you are very good at eating. Let's scrape some of that off your chin. Oh.
He loves his spoon.
Hollis loves his spoon too. He just doesn't know what to do.